So I don't know if you remember, but in February I made a soap that was shaped like a postage stamp and it had a heart in the middle. And I absolutely loved it. So I had this idea at the time to do some Christmas ones. And well, I went a little crazy. I have 4 so far, and there's other ideas I want to play with, but I need to hold myself back. So the first one I'm doing is the Christmas tree today. And I'm just doing 5-pound batches of these, so small batches as I experiment with the disc and make sure they work. This is the other, an angel. I have a candy cane and a gingerbread as well, gingerbread man. And shoot, which this is why I can't. So I'm talking and not paying attention, and green needs to go in first. So let's just dump this back into the pot because I only poured this first layer. Yeah, so anyways, I'm going to do basically the ombre design. I have the stamp, like the postage wave stamp that I will stamp on it after. And I also was playing around with another stamp to put on it, which you're just gonna have to wait to see until tomorrow when I do it. Oh, come on. Which I think could be really, really cute. Like, I think it could turn out super cute. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the ombre and stay tuned for the cut. at that ombre. Oh, is that not gorgeous? And the stamp. Oh, that's pretty. My tree on top. So I'm going to stamp it like it's been sent to the mail, and then I made this to stamp that I want to stamp down there on it, which I hope will look cute. I think it will. You know, I'll try it and see what happens. I was trying to get this angled and it didn't, but I actually think that's better for what I need to do. Like the space, if I want to get both those stamps, it's probably better that it's not. Now, this one isn't quite. I really love this. Like, it just glows. Like, I really, 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 really am super happy with that ombre. Okay. Now I can't wait to stamp it and see how it looks stamped. And I hope it turns out even cuter stamped. Oh my. Let me know what you think. That's cute, right? I think I should have done it in my longer. I have a different mold that makes my bars a little bit shorter but a little bit longer. I was just afraid I wouldn't have enough space, so I did my taller. It's cute. I like it. Let me know what you think. I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this up as I stamp the rest of them, and yeah, I like them.